Hello everyone, how to solve this math Olympiad question. 16 power sine square x plus 16 power cos square x is equal to 10, and we'll find out what is the value of x in this math Olympiad question. But this x greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So let's start the solution. We know that according to trigonometric rules, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then let sine square x is equal to y. This time I can see easily, here is sine square x, it will be y. So y plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then I can see easily it will be cos square x is equal to 1 minus y. So our question is 16 power sine square x. So I can see easily 16 power sine square x plus 16 power cos square x is equal to 10. So at this moment, if I put the value of sine square x and cos square x, this time I can see it will be sine square 16 power sine square x, it will be y plus 16, and cos square x, it will be 1 minus y is equal to 10. Then I can see easily, here is 16 power y, and it will be 16 power 1 times 16 power minus y is equal to 10. Then I can say it will be 16 power y plus 16 times 1 over 16 power y is equal to 10. Then at this moment, if I multiply both sides 16 power y, this time I can see it will be 16 power y times 16 power y plus 16 times 1 over 16 power y times 16 power y is equal to 10 times 16 power y. I multiply both sides 16 power y. Then this cancel. At this moment I can see easily it will be 16 power y whole square. Because of that, here is 16 power y, here is 2 term, and in this case I can say 16 is equal to, and here is 10 times 16 power y. Then let 16 power y is equal to u, and at this moment I can see easily it will be u square plus 16 is equal to 10u. Because of that, 16 power y is equal to u. Then I can say easily this equation becomes u square minus 10u. This 10u just move on in left side, it will be minus plus 16 is equal to 0. Then it is a quadratic equation. I do middle factor, so I can see it will be u square minus 8u minus 2u plus 16 is equal to 0. 2 times 8, it will be 16, minus 8 minus 2, it will be minus 10. Then in this case I can say here is u is common, so this divide this, it will be u, minus this divide this, it will be minus 8 minus 2, and here is this divide this, it will be positive u, minus, because of that plus minus, it will be minus 16 divide 2, it will be 8 is equal to 0. Then I can see easily in this case u minus 8 is common, so here is u minus 8 bracket, this divide this, it will be u, minus this divide this, it will be 2 is equal to 0. So in this case we'll find out two cases. Our first case is u minus 2 is equal to 0, and other case is u minus 8 is equal to 0. But remember that u is equal to 16 power y. So at this moment I can say here is u is equal to 2, and u, it will be 16 power y is equal to 2. And at this moment I can say easily 16 power y, it will be 2 to the power 4y is equal to 2 to the power 1. Because of that, 2 to the power 4, it will be 16. And this base is same, so I can say exponent are same, so 4y is equal to 1. Then if I divide by 4, this time I can say here is y is equal to 1 over 4. So we'll find out the value of y is equal to 1 over 4 in first case, and others case we'll find out u is equal to 8. So u, it will be 16 power y is equal to 8. And at this moment I can see it will be 2 to the power 4y is equal to 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. Then this base is same again, and I can see easily exponent are equal. So we'll find out in this case y is equal to 3 over 4. So we'll find out the value of y is equal to 1 over 4 and y is equal to 3 over 4. So at this moment, remember that y is equal to sin x square x, and we'll find out y is equal to 1 over 4, and again y is equal to 3 over 4. But we know that y is equal to sin square x, so I can say y, it will be sin square x is equal to 1 over 4, and here is y is equal to sin square x. Then I can say easily this equation becomes, it will be sin square x is equal to 3 over 4. Then at this moment, if I use both sides square root, then I can see easily it will be sin x is equal to 1 over 2, and here is sin x is equal to square root 3 over 2. I use both sides square root, and x is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So at this moment, sin x, so here is sin x, so sin x, and we know that sin 30 degree, it will be half, so I can say easily x is equal to 30 degree. And at this moment I can say sin x is equal to sin 60 degree. We know that sin 60 degree, it will be square root 3 over 2, and in this moment I can say x is equal to 60 degree. And this is our final answer. I can say x is equal to 30 degree and x is equal to 60 degree. Let's prove. Our question is 16 power sin square x plus 16 power cos square x is equal to 10. So at this moment, if I put the value of x is equal to 30 degree, so I can say 16 power sine 30 degree and bracket power is 2 plus 16 power cos 30 degree and bracket power is 2 is equal to 10. Then look, 16, and we know that sine 30 degree, it will be half. So I can say 1 over 2 and it's square root, and here is bracket power is whole square plus 16, and we know that cos 30 degree, it will be square root 3 over 2 and bracket 2 is equal to 10. Then I can say easily 16, so it will be 16 to the power 4 times, and 1 over 2 power is whole square, so it will be 1 over 4, because of the 2 to the power 2 it will be 4, plus, and here is 16, so it will be 2 to the power 4 times, and it will be square root is cancelled 3 over 4, because of that 2 squared, it will be 4 is equal to 10. Then I can easily this 4 cancel, this 4 cancel, and we will find out 2 plus 2 to the power 3, it will be 8 is equal to 10. Then I can easily it will be 10 is equal to 10. So sine 30 degree, I mean x is equal to 30 degree is our right answer. And again, if you think x is equal to 60 degree, so you also find out our final answer. So I can say x is equal to 30 degree and 60 degree in our right answer in this math Olympiad question. Thank you all.